Hi guys, DK here. I had a question come through on how to correctly set up the DKUI color picker component, and I'm just going to do a quick video. Actually, this was a question that came through in the comments of the last video. That would be the horizontal radio buttons video, and since it's come through, I think the easiest way is just to fire up a video and show how to use this very useful component. So I am just going to type DK color and pull up this color picker. What I have set up here is just a cube in the created inside of Grasshopper into a custom preview component, and we're just going to pipe in a custom color into that so we can change the color of it. So first thing we're going to do is pull up. Well, I've pulled up this this component, and we're going to need a panel for the name, and we're just going to call this custom color, and I'm going to plug that into name, and then I'm just going to take a copy of this and plug that into trigger. Now this won't update immediately because we'll need to plug in a third one into value, and both of those panels will be automatically populated. I think there was some some people had some issues with working out what goes into the trig input, and this is actually identical to a button. So yeah, the color picker needs this custom labeled panel for it to be able to be triggered to actually open the color picker. And of course we have there is a color already in here, so we have this button coming out of here. I'm just going to grab this HTML component, we'll pipe that in and then pipe that into our HTML, and that'll update. So there is our custom color there, and I'm just going to grab a text component, drop our value into there, and I'll call this color CV, and make that a hidden wire display. We can pull that down to here and plug it into our preview, and we can add that to a group, and so that's all set up there, and we can actually group this. And just the last bit of tidy up is we will make that a hidden wire. So yeah, there we have it, guys. That's really all that's needed. You shouldn't do anything with either the trig or the value input because these require custom labeled DKUI formatted panels, and they will auto create. This component will auto create that labeling once two panels are connected up, and then of course you have the standard tooltip and don't save inputs on here. And let me pull this across. We can simply change our colors here by selecting them, and we also have the ability to change sliders in here to get custom colors. So yeah, there we have it, guys. That is the quick and easy setup of the DKUI color picker component. I will link this piece of source code or example code in the description below this video. And as always, if you find these videos useful, or you find using DKUI in your own workflow, and you'd like to show some appreciation, you can simply grab this by David Beer component, drop it onto your canvas, and that will open this PayPal page where you're absolutely free to let me know what value you see in DKUI and all of these documentation videos, and As always, any donations are gratefully received and certainly go a long way to my motivation to keep updating this this user interface package and also keep creating these how-to videos. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below this video. Otherwise, you can track me down on the McNeils Discourse. I'm known in there as Kiteboard Shaper. Thank you very much.